Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to reverse money on Capitec app. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Capitec app and sign in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the main dashboard of the app. On the dashboard, locate the Transact option at the bottom of the screen and tap on it to proceed. From the Transact menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Debit Orders. Tap on this to view all your recent debit order transactions. Here, you need to identify the specific transaction you wish to reverse. Once you've located the correct transaction, select it by tapping on it. After selecting the transaction, look for the option that says Reverse or Refund. Tap on this option and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reversal process. This usually involves confirming your action and possibly providing a reason for the reversal. Keep in mind that time is of the essence in this process. The sooner you initiate the reversal after the transaction, the higher the likelihood of successfully reversing the funds. Delaying this action might reduce the chances of getting your money back. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.